we filmed a video. It was a big fail. Okay, we were not happy with it. So we came up with another idea.
Idea?
And we're going to do that. I found 2 quizzes on BuzzFeed. One is called
Quizzing?
Terrible Indian Sibling Quiz.
Indian?
Yeah. And one is called Can We Guess If You're the Oldest or Youngest Sibling? Because I am older, but a lot of people say he's older. So we're gonna...
Even though she's older, she has to settle to figure out who is older with this quiz. And if it comes as me, then we're gonna tell everyone that
it's
we're
gonna be me. It's gonna be me. We are ready. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
First, do you want to do terrible quiz or oldest or youngest?
This one.
This one. First, we're doing terrible Indian sibling quiz. So, are we finding out if you are terrible?
No, we're finding out that you're terrible.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Have you ever taken your siblings' clothes without asking? Okay, have you ever deliberately eaten their share of the food that they hid in the fridge? We didn't really hide food, but I'm sure I must have.
I did.
You hid from me?
But you ate.
Have you ever bossed them around after your parents put you in charge? No.
Obviously, bro. Always bossing.
Have you ever asked them to fetch you a glass of water?
I think I have gotten her more water than she's gotten for herself.
Shut
in her
up.
lifetime.
Have you ever blackmailed them because you knew that the Aditi on their phone was actually Aditya? No, not really, because I mean we just knew.
You would.
We would never hide girlfriend or boyfriend from each other. We would hide it together from mom and dad. So innocent. Have you ever given them the smaller half when your parents asked you to share your food with them? I don't think so.
You always take the big half. This is for you. Have you ever given me the
Smaller
small
half.
half?
No.
You always give me the big half.
No, I do equal.
Okay. Do innocent then.
Yeah. Have you ever blamed your sibling for something that you did?
Obviously, bro.
Like what?
This is just a
Mama,
drama.
have I ever blamed Karan for something that I did?
Yeah.
Like what? Like what?
Like always a little thing. Used to let him take a little bit of the blame.
Guilty.
Good one.
Who's guilty?
Me.
Okay.
Have you ever smirked while watching your siblings get their ass whooped by your parents for something you... No, because I would not blame you.
No, this is not related.
I,
It's just
for something I did. So like I did something,
Oh, okay.
but you're getting ass
Never,
whooped.
never.
Never.
No.
That's right. Thank you, Mama.
As
In
if
fact, if you
even-
are yelling at him, I would cry.
But he would do the same.
Yeah.
If
So I'm
I
not
was
a terrible
yelling.
sibling.
So I stopped yelling.
Have you ever scratched them or planted a thappad on their face?
planted a thappad.
All the time. Ma, what do you want? You come and sit here na then.
Sit down. Do it with us.
You can
Huh?
give background
Comments.
comment. You can sit on this side, then you won't come on
You don't want to be in the
camera.
video?
No.
Why?
And she's eating.
Always
Easy
eating.
answer.
Okay. Have you ever pulled their hair? Yes.
Yes.
Have you ever used their expensive makeup without asking? Only his concealer. Innocent, he doesn't have makeup. Have you ever pretended to cry to make them feel bad for doing something?
Have you?
Must have. I don't think so.
Okay, innocent.
Do you agree?
But you do extra drama. Riku.
That the question
Let's not do
have I ever
What
pretended
I
to...
mean is, if somebody has to give a reaction of let's say 2, yours tends to 8. It's like that.
8+.
Okay, guilty, chal. Have you ever been extra nice to them so that you can ask them for money?
Obviously.
Money!
Yeah.
But I was not extra nice. I just said, Karan, you need to pay for
No,
my
you
Disney
be-
Plus.
You be nice.
When
Extra
a
nice.
little magnet you become.
Ma, you can go eat over there. Have you ever pointed at your sibling when the Raddiwala visited your house looking for scrap?
No. Her jokes are not at that level.
Have you ever fought over the TV remote? All
Obviously,
the time. Have you ever told them that they were unplanned or an accident?
Even now he tells me.
All the time.
Have you ever told them they were adopted?
Oh shit. This question.
I'm
This thing is made for you only.
moving the thing by mistake.
The house.
Have you ever left their bedroom door open on purpose even when they asked you to close it? I did it yesterday.
All the time.
Guilty. Have you ever repeated everything they said just to piss them off?
No.
No, I say if he makes a joke, then I say it again. But then it's not funny anymore.
She didn't give me credit.
Yeah, I give. Innocent.
No, only when he asked for it.
Yeah.
I've seen him many times. And then he was like, tell the joke, I was going to give you.
Have you ever loved them to death and sworn to destroy the person who hurts them? I will destroy.
Yo, what the hell? You're the sibling from hell.
But that's just.
But I think it's.
It says you're a terrible sibling. You love nothing more than to annoy your sibling, take their stuff, and get them in trouble. But deep down, somewhere around your cold heart, you love them to bits.
Deep down.
I think we were harsh on Riku. She's an awesome sister.
Thank you, mother.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Can we guess if you're the oldest or youngest sibling? Finally, once and for all.
We're going to settle this.
Check all the things you've done to your sibling. Check.
Now who's doing
Have you stolen my clothes?
No.
Don't lie.
Why would I steal your clothes?
My skirt, my salwar kameez, my dupatta, stolen their clothes. Eavesdropped on that conversation.
Obviously, must have.
Oh, that was easy. Locked them in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Switched off the lights when they were still inside the bathroom. It says a room, but he doesn't even run in the bathroom. Yeah, Mama, you are the oldest sibling. Written your name all over their notebook. No, that I do. You've never done mine.
No.
Read their messages.
Yeah.
You've read my messages?
Guy came to know.
How?
Yeah, I read your phone.
Yeah.
How
Oh, I
else?
thought I told you.
Hell no, you didn't tell me. You kept it from me. I don't know. I must have just told you. I
Like
read
the
your
mom
phone.
also read my messages and found out. Do you remember?
Yeah, it came
When we
to
had
my
gone to
bed,
Netrani,
on the
because
bed.
I didn't have that.
Something, Mom, can you use your phone for Facebook?
And all, and I was texting him. And then I forgot to log out. I just closed it. And mom got the messages.
The message was. Oh.
And I felt so hurt because she never told me.
I don't know why I didn't tell you, but.
What would I do?
I
I was
don't
asking
know.
so many years.
It's okay, mom. I told him.
I don't think we kept it that long.
3 months, bro.
3 months?
3 months?
Yeah, 3-4 months I guess.
Damn!
Yeah.
Good on you, bro. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Use that toothbrush.
Hello.
Karan would never. I would.
Just cause my teeth are clean.
Told them that they were adopted. Have you ever told me?
No.
Have you ever followed my rules?
Obviously had to. When I was young, there were no my rules. It was only.
Shut up, yaar. What is this freaking teaming up? Snitched on me.
Yeah. Of course.
What?
To mom, na.
About what?
Anything. So many things I must have snitched on. Switched on.
Switched on. Hit my phone. Yeah, all the time. If I can find it all over the room.
Arey, yeah, this will come out to be as me only as a young guy.
Claimed their stuff.
I
I don't
claimed
know
it.
what this means. Mama, the question is claimed their stuff. Has Karan ever claimed my stuff?
Barbies. Barbies.
Yeah, you taking the Barbies.
Oh, really? Barbies?
To rip the head off.
Ate their food.
Yeah.
Hung out with their friends. Yeah, you have. Show me my results. You are the youngest.
Finally, it's proven to the world
Finally.
that Riku is older.
You're often able to get away with everything. You are also the most fun, even though you'll do anything to be in the
Damn right.
spotlight.
Hey, I don't do anything.
Are in the family spotlight?
Still,
That's true.
do I? Attention seeker, what?
No, do anything just because you want to be in the spotlight doesn't mean you're an attention seeker. But you do funny things, so we're all looking at you and laughing.
Oh, that's a good representation of me.
Correct. You are 89% the youngest sibling.
Tell now, do some other one.
You want to do another one? Which Disney siblings are you and your sibling? Can we?
Okay. This is gonna be like a list of things.
And it, like, if you, how would you describe your sibling, Karan? Obnoxious, Smart.
Obnoxious.
Fun. Fun and adventurous. Obnoxious is correct. How many siblings do you have? 1. What is the age difference? 3 to 4 years. How close were you and your sibling when you were young?
That's your size.
That's yours. We didn't really have that many friends, so we had to deal with each other. We played together every day. We were attached at the hip. Not right. We were attached at the hip.
Unfortunately.
How close are you guys now? How close are you guys now? We're still the same. We've grown closer. We've drifted apart. I like to do my own thing. We've drifted apart. We've grown closer? We've grown closer.
Okay.
What do you guys fight about? Guys, girls, and clothes.
No.
We don't fight.
What do you guys fight
Who
about?
should be in charge?
We don't fight about, we don't fight.
Ade, what do you guys fight about? We don't fight. What do you fight about? I think my behavior.
Yeah, her behavior.
What's the worst thing about your sibling? They think they're better than me. He or she is too quiet. He or she is too secretive. He or she doesn't listen. Doesn't listen.
Yeah.
What is the best thing about having a sibling? Come on. You get to borrow their clothes. You have a best friend living with you. You have someone to look up to.
Hell no.
You have
Look
people.
up to you.
You have people who look out for you. Ah, you clicked that one. Are we not best friends?
But we don't live together anymore.
How do you and your siblings resolve
Married.
resolve arguments? Our parents have to interrupt. We hug it out. We talk it out. We just ignore each other until we forget about it. That's not true.
Sometimes.
No, but like that day when we had like the big fight, then I just came into your room and I was like, so we hug it out.
Yeah, okay.
Because if we talk, we'll just fight more.
Yeah.
So we hug it out. But Karnoni knows one, so we will talk to that one.
No, I know the rest.
You know the Kardashians?
I don't know this one. I know these two.
Who's Ben Affleck?
That actor.
That actor.
Correct. Who is Ben
Yeah,
Affleck?
but who is he?
Who is he?
Batman. Do you tell your siblings everything? Yes,
Yeah.
but they have a big mouth. Yes, I can trust them. Only a few things. No, I don't really trust them. Yes, I can trust them 100%.
But then what's the difference between these two?
Means you'll tell me and I won't tell anyone, or you'll tell me and I go telling everyone.
No, I can trust them.
That's right. Would people say that you are a good sibling? This is for me to answer yes. Absolutely. What is your sibling's favorite color? Come on. What's my favorite color? The options are pink, yellow, black, green, red, purple, orange, and blue. Okay, that's good. He said purple. Your parents are extremely bossy, really cool, very loving, overprotective.
Really cool and very loving.
Yeah, how do we choose? But I would say like more loving than cool.
Yeah, get wrecked.
No, you know what I mean. Like if you had to choose, they're very loving. Except for mom just shat on me in freaking first half of the video.
She's loving to me.
Do your parents have a favorite child? It depends on who is the best.
It's hard to tell.
No, they love us equally.
It's hard to tell.
Hard to tell. I'm the favorite child. I think it goes.
No, bro. Obviously, they love us equally.
I.e., I am the favorite child. So what? They love us equally.
Yeah, bro.
No, it's hard to tell. Which Disney character would your dad be? Mufasa, Maurice, King Agnar, King Triton.
Elsa.
Elsa. I think Mufasa.
Yeah.
Like
I don't
he's
know
like
the rest,
the.
dude.
I think Mufasa's like,
No, this guy, no. I
this
don't know.
is your
all these.
kingdom.
I don't know
This is
these.
your business. Run your business like this.
I don't know all these.
Papa's Mufasa. Where would you go on a family vacation?
Universal Island. No. Six Flags, bro.
Yeah, Six Flags. The options were Disney, Universal, Six Flags, or
No, Universal
water park.
Island. If it was Universal Studios, we would choose Universal Studios.
Yeah. What song would your family jam to on a road trip? This Love by Maroon 5, Stronger, Kelly Clarkson, We Are Young, Fun, Fast Car, Tracy Chapman.
No.
But most
There's a
likely
whole no, but-
Stronger. Most likely Stronger.
Okay.
What doesn't kill you makes you
Okay.
stronger.
Na, 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 na.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how patient are you now?
2.
Are we talking about me or are we talking about you?
You.
No, we're talking about you.
If me, then this.
You're not 10, Karan. You're
Come on,
8.
bro. I'm 10.
Okay, you're
I'm a 10.
I'm a 12. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? In a palace, in
In a
space,
place.
in the forest?
That's what you're gonna say.
Son, they cannot hear the options if you're talking over me.
Oh, sorry.
In a palace, in space, in the forest, or in the ocean?
In the ocean because
Where
she's
would
dead.
You, no, where would you live?
Oh.
She'd be dead. Oh, thanks.
In space? No, not in space.
You would not live in space.
In the forest.
Yeah, you would live in a forest, you little hippie. What city would you move to? LA, Seattle, Orlando, New York? We all know it's gonna be New York.
No. I don't know the Orlando and Seattle how they are.
Karan, come on, of course you go to New
Okay,
York.
okay.
What are you thinking about? Fucking talking about Central Park all the time in my ear. What is your zodiac sign? You are a Gemini. What's your favorite season? Fall, winter, summer, spring?
Summer.
What is your favorite Disney movie? Cinderella, Frozen, Sleeping Beauty, Alice in Wonderland, Lion King, Little Mermaid, Jungle Book, Mulan.
Next question.
Karan, from whatever you've seen, what's your favorite one? Just which favorite one?
Lion King.
Who would be your Disney sidekick? Gus and Jack, Olaf, Perry, Flounder. Gus and Jack are the mice from
You
Cinderella.
choose this.
Cinderella. I'm just gonna go Gus and Jack because they're cute. Who is your
So-
least
so
favorite
much
Disney
Disney
character? Our least favorite is
Doofenshmirtz. Cruella de Vil.
Ursula because she was just mean. Who's your favorite Disney princess? Prince Charming, the Beast, Aladdin, Prince Eric. Aladdin.
Aladdin, motherfuckers.
What type of animal is your pet?
A dog.
A cat, a platypus, a fish. We got Phineas and Ferb! That's cool.
Okay.
You two could be poster children for the perfect sibling relationship. I start crying. you share similar interests and are very respectful to each other. You guys never fight about anything, and although you guys have very different personalities, you complement each other very well.
That's quite a good description.
That's
though.
really good. That's like spot on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Come on, compliment me.
What? You didn't compliment me. See, it takes so much time for you to
No,
think.
no. Wait, I'm just thinking which one because there's so
Oh.
many.
Don't say because I won't be able to say.
God, that's so mean. Okay, I'll give you a compliment. I think you are very mature for someone who is not even 20 yet. Oh, what? Come on, you gotta say something nice.
You're very caring about me.
I'm caring about you.
You take care of me.
Oh, that's sweet.
Don't cry.
I'm not crying. Karna, it's so that you started this meeting, okay?
Because you do cry.
Because like anything fucking emotional happens, okay, if it's too emotional, I cry. But if
it's
even
emotional, you
even
cry.
if it's a little bit like emotional, it's like, oh, don't cry. Then because you say it now, it makes me cry.